The Birds and the Monkey. Moral story. Deep in the jungle, in a certain tree, there lived a sparrow couple. They had worked very hard and built their nest on the branches of the tree. Home is the best place in the world. They would sit smiling at each other. No doubt it was a comfortable home and protected them in all weathers. One winter season, it was biting cold. Sun didn't come up for days. To add the chill, clouds began to form in a distance. Looks like it is going to rain, said the male sparrow. Even if it does, we are safe, he added. The shade of leaves above our nest is enough to keep us dry and protect us during the rains. The clouds became denser and darker. After some time, it began to rain. The sparrow couple peeped through the leaves and enjoyed the weather. Just then, they saw a monkey walking slowly towards the tree. The monkey was drenched in rain. His teeth chattered as he crouched under the tree trying to warm himself in rain. The sparrows took pity on the monkey. Poor fellow, we can't even offer him to take shelter in our home, said the female sparrow. The rain didn't seem to stop. The monkey felt miserable. The female sparrow called out to him, "Oh, monkey, don't you have a home?" "No, I don't," said the monkey. "Why didn't you build a house for yourself?" asked the sparrow. The monkey felt offended. He didn't reply. The sparrow spoke again. "You know, you have hands and feet similar to humans. You can use them for making a shelter for yourself. Having a home is so important. It protects you in all kinds of weather." The monkey was already suffering from the rain and the cold and was in no mood of an advice. He growled, "Will you please keep quiet for some time?" But the female sparrow went on. "Look at us. We have made a cozy nest here. It took us a lot of hard work, but it is worth it. Today we are safe and secure in our home. If you had been a little far-sighted and built a home for yourself, you wouldn't suffer today." Hearing this, the monkey's anger blew out of proportion. He at once climbed up the tree and reached near the sparrow's nest. "Did you say that you are safe and secure in your home?" shouted the monkey. Then take this. And so yelling, he tore up the nest to pieces and threw it on the ground. The sparrow couple somehow managed to save their lives. Moral: never give advice unless you are asked for. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.